Hi, welcome to RH Commercial Vehicles. I'm James Ginney, the LCV specialist, and today I'm here to talk to you about the Renault Master E-Tech demonstrator we have to offer. This is our 52 kilowatt battery. We also offer 33 kilowatt, which we've got two vehicles in stock right now. As I move further down the vehicle, we have a full storage pod fitted behind the cab. This is 2 foot in width. As you can see, there's 2 compartments, and the vehicle comes as standard with 2 charging leads and an additional charging lead for the tipper body itself. Further down, as you can see, this is a 10.6 foot tipping body, fully cage sides with a drop side down here. As we move our way around to the back of the vehicle, the cage sides themselves do detach, and we can use this as a full drop side vehicle. As you can see, this vehicle is fitted with driver comforts such as air conditioning, cruise control, manual speed limiter, full DAB radio with Bluetooth installed, pull-out clipboard for the driver. We've also got down here a full VPG weighing system kit fitted to the rear of the vehicle. I'll leave you now to have a look round. Thank you for viewing. If you're looking for any vehicle of this specification or any other specific LCV, please get in contact with us here, and maybe you can drive away today.